Hi guys, we have a small yet quite significant update to our ratchet system. This is our new trigger, and the person who's using it can monitor in real time all the important settings of the ratchet. Whenever the technician makes changes, like changing modes, changing the pressure, or changing the settings for opening of the valves, the person with the trigger will see it right away. Three, two, one. This feature doubles the control over the settings of the system. I hope you like it. By the way, more useful stuff are coming, so stay tuned. Ticho! Thanks for watching!